So I'm going to show you guys how to make smaller toilet paper roll pots. So some time ago I did a video showing you how to make the bigger ones using the whole length of the toilet paper roll. And now I'm going to show you how to make a smaller pot that you can plant directly into the ground. Okay? So you have your toilet paper roll. You get a scissors and you will cut it in half. Okay? So you cut it in half like that. And then we're going to cut one end like this. Cut another end here. Cut in the middle of those 2 points. And that way you don't need to use as much soil as if it was a bigger one. And to lock the bottom, this is what we're going to do. Now we have to do it like that, and then you want to lift up this end and stick this one underneath. It's kind of a challenge to do it. Wait a minute, come on, you gotta work with me. Okay, and there you go. See that? So now the bottom is locked. So what I do, I just press it down on a flat surface to help square it. Okay, there you go. And now it's locked inside. The last time I did it, when I showed you the bigger one, I didn't show you how to lock the bottom. So this way, the bottom is locked, and you just put your soil in here now. All right, so let's get some soil. I'm going to put it in. Let's just do this other. I'll do one more to show you guys. Right. Even for me locking it at times, guys, sometimes I get confused as to how to do it. Okay, so you want to lift one flap to pull down the other flap, and then we push everybody together. See that? Okay, now it's locked. And then we just press it down on a flat surface to square it. Yeah, there we have our little pots, which makes it easier for putting it in directly into the ground. So let me put some soil. All right, I'm going to be planting some okra seeds in these pots. I have 4 okra seeds that I want to plant. All right. Of course, let me show you. I put it in to hold it in place. I put it in a container like this that has drainage holes. Because I have the seeds. Oh, the seeds fell out. Okay, hold on. That's 2 seeds there. So another seed here. Did I lose my seeds? 1, 2. I think I lost one. So I put it in a container this like that has drainage holes to help it to stand up. And of course it does need to drain. So that's why you need to put it in a container that has drainage holes. Alright. It's going to be okra. Stick that there. Alright, let me just put in these seeds here that I can see. So I'll show you guys that quickly. Make a little hole. Yeah. Drop the seed in. Oops. Drop the seed in. Alright. Let's cover it now. A little bit of soil. And then we will water it in.
Hi guys, this is Laura's sidekick. I want to invite you to please, if you haven't done that, subscribe to this channel. Please Give it a thumbs up. Make sure you watch all the videos. Over and out.
All right. So there you have it, folks. Our mini toilet paper roll pots. I hope you found this tip helpful. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.